Com. The globalists just can't seem to understand the message we have by electing Donald J. Trump as our president. On Saturday, a federal judge in Seattle took it upon himself to partially lift a Trump administration ban on certain refugees. This was done after two individual groups argued that the ban prevented people from some mostly Muslim countries from reuniting with family living legally in the United States. Yes, that's the point. We don't need any more terrorists in our country. Look at him. Don't you see that he's a Democrat idiot? It shows all over his face. What is it with people who wear stupid looking bow ties and hating America? Yeah, I didn't even see that. The liberal U.S. District Judge James Robart, heard arguments on Thursday from, of course, the American Civil Rights Liberties Union, and oddly enough, from Jewish Family Service. Both these anti-American entities argued that the ban causes irreparable harm and puts some people at risk. Government lawyers argued that the ban is needed to protect national security and our citizens. Why is the security of foreign nationals our problem? America and Americans first. Why can't these people seem to understand that? Fox News report, appeals court Trump exceeded authority with a travel ban. Really? Honolulu, yeah, where else? That idiot that Obama appointed. A federal appeals court panel has ruled that President Donald Trump once again exceeded the scope of his authority with his latest travel ban, but the judges on the Ninth Circuit U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals put their decision on hold pending review by the U.S. Supreme Court, meaning the ban involving 6 majority Muslim countries will remain in effect. The 77-page ruling released late Friday says Trump's proclamation makes no findings whatsoever that simply being from one of the countries cited in the ban makes someone a security risk. Really? Hawaii, which is suing to stop the ban, has argued that it will be harmful because families will be separated and university recruitment will be hampered. I got a great idea. Ship the family back to where the others are coming from. Earlier this month, the Supreme Court lifted temporary lower court orders that had prevented the latest ban from taking effect. The status quo was maintained when the Ninth Circuit stayed its decision, said Carl Tobias, a professor at the University of Richmond School of Law. The ruling was unusual, but it's a unique case, he said, noting the Supreme Court has not set argument dates because it has not yet decided to grant an appeal. Given the shockingly rapid volley of executive actions and court decisions, this is surely just the latest in a long series of battles to come. Mary Phan, a University of Washington Law School professor, said about immigration ban litigation. The judges focused on whether Trump had made a required finding that the entry of people affected by the ban would be determined to detrimental to U.S. interests. Under U.S. immigration law, such a determination must be made before barring $150 million